Miss Sanders is getting drunk.
I'm not getting drunk.
She is getting drunk. JB and pineapple juice?
Pineapple juice.
No! That's a lie. Believe in me, I'm serious.
I think yours has more alcohol than mine.
It's the same.
I'm not feeling it.
It's the same
I'm not
percentage.
feeling it.
175 overproof.
So if I get up right now, I'm gonna fall over.
I'm gonna hold you.
All right, Bourbon Beach is the place to go
2016.
when you come to the grill,
2016.
because they have live music, DJ, good. They have food, good food. Jerk chicken is good.
Yeah.
You probably
And
can't.
French fries.
French fries are good.
Yeah.
French fries are good. You probably can't hear anything I'm saying right now.
Get some pork if you hate chicken. Okay, what you do?
Okay, so now I'm in front of the Jungle nightclub, and instead of going to the club, we're gonna sit outside and hang with Cha-Cha. And who's that?
And that's Washi.
The
And
bartender.
the bar. He's the bartender.
Yeah,
Okay.
Washida is the bartender.
The bartender's
He's in the
the
trunk.
bartender's
He's in the
sitting in the
boot.
trunk in the boot
Boot
of the car,
Service JB Ron.
serving drinks. He's the bartender in the trunk, and then
Yo,
they're
the
serving
Francis
food.
too,
Look at him!
Macarena.
Look at him!
Francis
Look
say
at him!
want two pies black.
Yeah, man, get something to hurt the God, man. Can they have a good view, you know?
And
Oh, I got it.
that's the kitchen bitch.
No, kitchen fucker.
He works in the kitchen. That's Cha-Cha over
I'm not a
there.
bitch, I'm not a girl. I'm a kitchen fucker.
He's a bomba bitch. Bomba bitch. But that's a good thing.
Francis.
Oh, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Oh,
So
yes,
we're
yes,
just gonna
sir.
hang out here,
Right, sir.
and we're gonna talk shit all night and drink. So
This guy don't talk shit. Okay, yes, sir, no, sir, yes, sir, no, sir, left.
chicken foot. soup.
Right there.
There's my bartender. See him.
Okay, yes, sir, yes, sir, okay, yes, sir.
I'm gonna put you on my YouTube channel.
Yeah, man. Cha-cha, right? Cha-cha chicken.
Cha-Cha, always in front of the Jungle nightclub. Look at that
Right.
chicken.
And I want an Alfredo. I turn it over. Charge.
Smells so good.
Yeah.
You remember when I